Hey, if you are running out of ideas, what are you going to do with your beef, or you want to have a new recipe for your beef, I have something for you today. In the last 2 weeks, I was traveling and I've tried some of the restaurants during my trip. And today I would like to introduce to you a spicy beef from the province of Hunan in China. That is called Shaoxing Niu Rou. Now, this recipe is pretty simple. All you need is a good piece of beef. You have your sirloin, or if not, you can use any kind of beef that is good enough for stir frying, and some chilies. But it also layered with different types of flavor. I have some garlic, ginger, onion, and then layer with spring onion, and then the beef that is marinated. It's very flavorful, very tender, and very aromatic. So in these videos, I would like to show you how to make it. Let's get started. Slice the beef across the grain thinly, and that's perhaps the single most important step to make the beef become tender. Now let's transfer the beef into a bowl and then marinate it with some light soy sauce, some wine, a little bit of water, some cornstarch. Give it a mix. And then seal up all the marinade inside with some oil. Alright, now we leave it aside and let's move on for other ingredients. Next, I have prepared some other ingredient that is necessary for this recipe. I have some onion cut into small pieces like that. This is garlic and ginger, which has already chopped. And these are the chilies, because this is, as you know, spicy beef. And I have some bird's eye chili, the small red chili that is quite spicy. I've cut 2 of them into small rings and 1 as it is for decoration. And also in this recipe, usually we use a larger red chili as well. But I want to reduce the spiciness today, so instead of using the red large chili, I'm using some bell peppers in different colors. And also this is the marinated chili, green chili, marinate with some sugar and vinegar. And it is very common to be used in this recipe in Hunan province, but I understand that it may be difficult to find in certain places, so hopefully you can get that. It will make it even more authentic. And lastly, I have some spring onion, the white section and the green section. I cut it, separated into the white and the green part, so it looks like that. This is the white part of it and this is the green part of it. And also I have some coriander leaves. So this is the coriander. Again, I will cut the stem side into short section and separate it from the leaves, so it will look like that. Finally, we need to make a stir-fry sauce for the beef. So it comprises of some light soy sauce, that is basically for the flavor, and some dark soy sauce, and this is not much of flavor, but it is to darken the color to make it more presentable. Just a little bit will do. Okay. And then some oyster sauce as well. Right, a little bit of vinegar, and because I put vinegar, so I need to balance it with just a little bit of sugar. And basically this is the stir-fry sauce for the spicy beef. So now let's heat up a wok or a large skillet until it is hot, and then add about 2 tablespoons of oil into it. Swirl around to coat it. Then add the pickled chilies that is marinated with vinegar. And then stir fry it for a while, let the aroma rising up from the skillet for a little while, 15 to 20 seconds. Very nice flavor. And then add the onions. Turn up the heat, and also at the same time the garlic and ginger. And don't forget the bird's eye chili. That is going to give the beef the spicy flavor. Now if you have a large wok, you can just push everything to a side and then add the beef over here. But since the pan is small, I decided to remove everything from the pan, and then I add the beef into it, and then after that I will return all these ingredients to combine with the beef. So let me remove it from the pan and just add a little bit more oil to fry the beef. So this is the marinated beef. Push it out to make it a single layer. Let it sear for a while over medium to high heat. After about half a minute, let's turn it over. And stir fry the beef until it is nearly fully cooked but not overcooked. Probably another half to 1 minute will do. It is important to look at the color. So when the color is start to change, it's time to add back whatever that we have removed from the pan just now. Okay, now let's put back all those aromatic ingredients that we have removed from the pan just now and combine with the beef. And also add the different colors of the bell peppers. Then add the stir fry sauce that we have already made just now. Add into it. Along with the coriander stem and also the spring onion. All put it in. And just give it a few stir until everything is homogeneous. And there you go, that is the stir-fried beef, spicy Hunan style. That's how it looks like. Put some coriander leaf at the center of the serving plate, and then the beef on top. That is my spicy Hunan style stir-fried beef. Let's try it. Very tender because we cut it very thinly across the grain, and also it has multi layers of flavor, not just the chili, but because of the spring onion, the onions, garlic, and also the preserved chili with vinegar. It's packed with flavor and it's easy to make. And if you want to get the recipe, I've included in the description below the videos, and also I will add it at the end of this video for your reference. Thanks for watching. I hope you will try that and let me know what's the result, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.